doing? Get in formation. Hey curl friends, it's _sincerely Asia and I'm back at it again with another video. As you can see, the voice is back.
Barely, but
I was sent some Wig Fall Styles kinky straight clip-ins and I really wanted to take advantage of using them before I reverted back to curly. And as a little cheat, a baby revert, I flexi rotted my hair, but it was simple because my hair wasn't wet. It was still straight from my blowout, which you guys will see. So if you would like to see how I style this look and 3 different ways that I style these clip-ins, definitely tune in because... Alright, girlfriends and girlfriends, let's jump right into it. As you can see, I have sweated out my silk press and it's time to give me a little look. I did not film the actual flexi rod set because I have a video on my channel. I'll put it in the description box where I do a detailed flexi rod set.
The next day.
Okay, so I'm grabbing my Wig Fall Styles clip-ins. It came with 6 sets of clip-ins, which is standard, and I brushed them out and started to curl them. I wanted to see how well they took the heat. Now, I should have dyed these, but I really didn't have time and I knew that my hair wasn't going to last me another few days, so we're just going to completely disregard the fact that the clip-ins are like a 1B and my hair is like dark brown, almost black, and hop right into the meat of the tutorial. Okay, we're gonna focus on what's important, guys. Focus on what's important. So I've been asked a couple times how I style my clip-ins outside of my head, like before I put them in, and it's actually quite simple. It's all in a technique of how you hold them to keep them from moving around, which I'm going to zoom in and show you guys in just a second. Okay, so like for shorter pieces like this that are harder to get a hold on, you hold the clip on this side of the curling iron, like where it's not hot, obviously, and that's how I curl my shorter pieces. This simple technique makes it super easy for me to have full control over the hair, how long I'm curling it, and all of that good stuff while I'm doing it without having it like a loose bundle that's just like flapping around with me trying to chase the hair around the counter. Nobody has time for that. So, like I said earlier, this is the flexi rod set. I let this dry for like 2 days, y'all. My hair was not wet. I used the Main Choice Seal-In Cream from the Tropical Moringa line, and my hair still wasn't dry. Y'all are about to see the moment where I realized the middle of my head wasn't dry, and I was so aggravated. Like, I didn't understand what the issue was. Like, y'all see that little feel I just did? Like, I'm like, all right, maybe it's just that one. Like, no, sis, it's all of y'all. All of y'all played me. So this is when I grab my clip-ins. Like I said, disregard the color. Like, it looks like it's kind of the color on my roots, on the roots of the clip-ins. But towards the end, it fades into like a brown. I'm definitely going to have to dye these black. So there is no rhyme or reason to how I clip in my hair. I literally just throw them in. I put the longest one at the center of my head. But other than that, I just be, just clipping away and moving them around because I like to style my hair in different ways. If I had more than just the 6 clips, I definitely probably would have been able to wear it down, especially if it was dyed black. But with just the 6, I knew that I could get, a couple good styles out of it. So I'm just moving the clips around, trying to figure out the best placement for them because I knew I was about to switch it up. This is just how they look unteased. I'm going to separate them, separate my hair, try to blend it. This is like at the time when I noticed, wait, this hair is way too light for me. Hey curl friends, it's _sincerely Asian. I'm back at it again. Why does this look like this? Why do you look like this? Go about your business. Give me a little. I'm a straight natural. Like, I'm a straight natural. Y'all see me? Get this crazy. And just like that, we back. We back and we bigger and we better. I'll clip this. Oh, I could have gave y'all another look. Pause. Let me go find a hairpin. And that is all I have for you and this look. This one wasn't included. I just did this. And listen, I look just like the cute girl from the Goofy movie. That's all I got. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Videos every single week. Bye.